I done noticed something. It just hit me. Understand? Now I was playing my video of the G scale. I read the G scale and two similar Bascule bridges. Now, it hit me. Understand? Now this is the Southern Pacific Railroad Strauss Hill Chain Bascule Bridge, and also is used by the Pacific Electric Railroad. It was built in 1912, and the bridge was built in 1912. But listen. This bridge was moved in 1955, and see why? Because the bolt done hit the counterweight hinge on the bridge, and then it was removed in 1955, right? Yeah. And and then it was removed in the year 1955. I'm gonna show you some few pictures. Now this bridge was removed in 1955. Now I'm gonna show you something. And now this the Baltimore, Ohio, Calumet River, Strauss Hill Train Bascule Bridge was built in 1912 and 1914, but it was destroyed by collision in 1988. Ain't that something? I just done. It didn't came to my mind to now. 1988, and then I'm gonna put it in the title, because these two bridges are similar, because both bridges have the strut fixed to the counterweight bridge tower and the machinery on the Bascule spin, and they both are Baltimore woven through truss bridges. Understand? But one is this is 235 feet, and the other one is 87 feet, which is the Pedro Bridge, right? Boom, look at that. So it just came to mind. I just now realized it. Now this is this is like when they had the Blues Brothers. What the heck with it? This is like when they had the Blues Brothers, and it's in the background, right? And then look what it says: "They're never going to be caught. They're on a mission from God." Now, in 1988, the bridge was struck by a ship, and the span had tore from its supports in 1988. Ain't that something? There you go, folks. Now, the San Pedro Bridge was removed in 1955, and this bridge was removed in 1988. Go figure.